We know that music per se is haram in Islam, but having worked with special children, I have seen that, music therapy has worked miracles with autistic children especially, who are completely cut at the social level. So how far can we go in encouraging music therapy with special children, especially speaking of autistic children?
It's rather the question that as far as music is concerned is haram, and she being involved with children, she has realized that music helps certain children with certain deficiencies, certain problems, autistic children. So how far is it allowed? Sister, as far as music is concerned, generally we know that except for duff, which is permitted, the other musical instruments like guitar, flute, etc. is haram. You can substitute it with natural sound, etc. The only instrument which is mentioned in the hadith, it is duff. As far as using music for patients of children who have certain deficiencies, who have certain problems, are autistic, in this way, sister, as a medical treatment, the Quran says in Surah Baqarah chapter number 2, verse number 173, in Surah Ma'idah chapter number 5, verse number 3, in Surah An'am chapter number 6, verse number 145, and Surah Nahl chapter number 16, verse number 115, after mentioning the prohibited things, it says that if under compulsion, unwillingly, if you disobey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah is Rahman Rahim. That is under compulsion, or if that is the only treatment which you feel will be effective as a treatment for medical reasons, that particular time it becomes permitted. For example, alcohol per se is haram, but there are some medicines, or many medicines rather, contain alcohol. If that's the best medicine which can cure the disease and will save his life, etc., so for that time, alcohol becomes allowed. Similarly, if music is a therapy will only cure that particular problem with that child, so for that particular time, it becomes permitted. Hope that answers the question.
Brother, I am a student of hotel management. As we are training, we had to